Meet the most powerful AI platform ever assembled, SuperHero AI. A single dashboard, a full army of intelligent tools at your command. No learning curve, no waiting. Inside, you're not just getting access to AI, you're unlocking your very own digital command center. Equipped with tools for writing, designing, speaking, coding, and automating everything in your online business. From high-converting content to 4K AI visuals, from cinematic voiceovers to entire websites and chatbots built in minutes. SuperHero AI is built for creators, entrepreneurs, and digital warriors who demand more. Need help with research, writing, ads, branding, SEO, or scripting? SuperHero AI gives you access to over 50 specialized AI assistants, each trained for a specific task, ready to respond instantly. And under the hood, you'll be commanding the most advanced AI models in the world: GPT-4o, GPT Turbo, Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 1.5 Pro, DeepSeek V3, and more being added regularly. Want visuals? Turn plain text into hyper-realistic 4K images with DALL-E 3 HD. No design skills needed. Just type, click, and create. Need voiceovers? Just type a few words and generate studio-quality voices in over 50 global languages, including accents and emotions. Want to read a PDF? Extract insights from a link, or understand what's inside an image? Just drop it into SuperHero AI, and it responds like a genius. And when you're ready to go hands-free, activate the automation reactor, schedule your content, bulk create videos, voiceovers, and social posts. Auto-publish to your platforms. Let AI work in the background while you sleep. This isn't just another AI app. This is SuperHero AI, your all-in-one plug-and-play system to write, design, build, sell, and scale faster than ever before. No monthly fees, no overwhelm, no experience required. Just raw AI power at your fingertips, ready when you are. Ready to unlock your superpowers? Click below and activate SuperHero AI now.